Dogman, Fetch 22 by Dav Pilkey. Chapter 1, The Fair Fairy by George Beard and Harold Hutchins.
Hey fellas! Hey fellas! The Fair Fairy's about to start! Let's go!
Hey kitties! It's time for everybody's favorite show!
The Fair Fairy.
Who's that fairy in the air who makes things completely fair? She's a fair fairy, oh yeah! Thank you, Down Dog. No prob. Before we begin today's show, I'd like to apologize for my little, bungle on last week's show. Bungle? Yes, I was under a lot of stress, and dude, you are totally bonkers. That's not true, Downward Dog. And don't call me dude, we've talked about that. I was there, man, you flipped out. Now, I've already apologized for. Hey, Gary, pull that clip from last week. No! Don't listen to him, Gary. He's crazy. Show it. Don't you dare.
The Fair Fairy, film clip B055, episode 211. Air date 1 week ago.
Welcome back to our show, children. Our next guests are Tina and Ramone. Tina is upset because Ramone got 2 cookies, and she only got 1.
Yeah, that's not fair.
Well, you've come to the right show. Give me that cookie, Ramone.
Hey!
Here you go, Tina. Now you each have 1.5 cookies.
That's not fair!
Why not?
She got ice cream yesterday, and I didn't get any!
Hey, Gary, do we have any ice cream backstage?
Here you go, kid.
That's not fair!
Why not?
He got mint chocolate chip, but I only got vanilla!
Gary, more ice cream!
That's not fair!
Why not?
She got 3 scoops, but I only got 2!
Gary!
That's not fair!
Why?
His ice cream has more chocolate chips than mine!
Her spoon is bigger than mine!
My ice cream is all melty!
Mine is meltier than hers! It's not fair!
Enough! Give me that bowl! You get nothing! And you give me your bowl! Nothing for you too! You both get nothing! Now it's fair! Now it's fair!
The Fair Fairy, film clip B055, episode 211. End of clip. Not approved for rebroadcast.
See? I told ya. You were tripping, dude. Well, that won't happen again. I'm much calmer today. And stop calling me dude! Whatevs. Now let's welcome our first guests, Tim and Brenda. Tim is angry because Brenda got 2 toys and he only got 1.
Yeah, it's not fair.
9 minutes later.
Give me that toy! You get nothing! Now it's fair!
Hey, Dogman! Was that so inappropriate?
Dogman, Fetch 22, The Fair Fairy